All right, the materials you're going to need are 4 sets of 4. So 4 items, all of different heights, and you have to have 4 of each of those items. So I've gone through my pantry or my workstation downstairs. You could use twigs, as you'll see at the end of the video, chess pieces, Lego squares, and you do little towers. Any of your toys, that'll work. If you don't have a printer, no problem. And it'll probably work better because the game boards are made for the cube links that we have at school. So I'm just going to take the puzzle game board and I'm going to write it down on my sheet. So I did the top 4 numbers across, making sure they're wide enough for whatever objects you're using. And then I'm going to do the numbers from the side. So we've got 3, 2, 2, 1. And then I'm going to draw my numbers or my lines across. And then I'll finish the game board with the other numbers. And what if you're using larger pieces? All I did was take a piece of goose paper and cut it into quarters, or rip it into quarters. I labeled top, bottom, right, and left so I don't lose track. And same thing, I'm just gonna write 4 numbers across. So 3, 2, 1, and 3. And if you need to rip those apart later, you can, but I'm just gonna leave them. So now I have a game board for smaller pieces and one that I can move around for larger pieces. So the instructions say that each row and each column are going to have a different size skyscraper or item, 1 through 4. And the rules are the numbers on the outside. The taller skyscrapers block your shorter ones. So for the puzzle that we set up, 1 is the tallest, and if you will try and get it down here, this one is now blocking all the other ones, so I can only see 1 tower. And I'm just going to turn the board from this direction. It's the same thing. I can only see 1 tower. But this same column, same row, in the other direction, I need to be able to see 2. And I can, because I can see the screw and the white one, but the orange plug and the silver base is gone. And we will check this row. I don't know, I've turned it, I don't know if we're rows or columns anymore. And I should be able to see 3. And I can, because I can see the orange cap, the screw, which is blocking this thing, and I can still see the white one. So then you would keep filling in the board. Now I'll show you with the bigger items because it's a little bit easier. So again, our 1s, the Kleenex box is blocking everything, and you could tell from that direction it would be as well. Here is a 2, and I should be able to see 2 items. I can see the Gatorade and the Kleenex. And this one from the other direction, you would be able to see, should be a 3, and you could see 1, 2, you can't see the soup, and you could see that. So good luck filling in all your other pieces. Remember to pay attention to what surface you're using if you're going to scratch it, or if you're using stickier items that you might want something down, and whatever you take out you need to put away. Have fun!